What is up, guys? Welcome to Solo MC Rider. Today's video is going to be another mod on my 2023 BMW S1000XR behind me. 2020 to 2023 S1000XR front indicators comes with a halogen bulb from the last generation. Today it's going to change to the Rizoma Sequential Turn Signal that I have been wanting to get for this bike for quite a long time. For one thing I did is I have the aftermarket LEDs from AliExpress just to get rid of those obnoxious incandescent bulbs turn signal to match with kind of OEM looking very cheap $15 ones from AliExpress, and they've been doing pretty good, but I wanted to put back to something that is more premium. The quality of these things are very good. So as you can see, this is sequential turn signal, and these are the silver version I got because unfortunately the matte black one is not on sale. It's still the full price, but this dropped by $40 for holidays, so I just like, you know what, it doesn't matter, they're still gonna look good as long as it functions. So I got this pair, and it comes with the two resistors inside for each of them. I don't know if I have to use them or not, but I'll find out, and what all the hardware that's supposed to be included in it. And I got this wiring connector, bullet connector that connects here. You can find those in Amazon, the BMW turn signal connector, plug and play, and you don't have to splice any wiring, just plug it in and you should be able to good to go. So without any further ado, we're gonna go to the bike, start taking off the fairings and put one on and see how it goes, and then I will do the rest. To take the fairings off, there are a few bolts on each side needs to come off, quite a few of them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the one at the bottom has to come out as well, and this one here as well, right here and right here, and one right here. So we have about, yeah, quite a few bolts needs to come off in order for this side to come off. Wiring is connected, so when the fairing comes off, make sure that you don't pull the wire, just to unplug it before you can take it off of the bike completely. So the fairing is off. So this clips actually clipped into the fairing, and in order for it to unclip it, you just need one of those pick tool, and then when you unplug that and unclip that, you should have this fairing on your hand. And now I will go ahead and swap those lights. So I just test fitted them just to make sure it works, and I don't have to connect any resistor. Oh my god, these are so bright, it's like hurting my eyes. As you guys can see right here, look at the reflections, and it's not hyper flashing or anything, it's perfect sequential. So all I had to do is just connect the wiring to the bullet connectors and then to the BMW harness, and it works perfectly fine. I do not need any resistors. Looks like it's pretty much already has the power consumption of LED lights, so it's not hyper flashing. So that should be pretty easy. I was worried, so I have less wiring to bundle up. So since that is working now, I will start connecting everything into the fairing and then plug into the bike. Yep, so just like that, one side is installed. As you guys can see right here, came out really nice. I had to improvise a little bit because there's a piece that you can buy from Amazon or Revzilla, but they cost about what, $15. Why pay when I can improvise? So I just used the existing turn signal from AliExpress, just cut it and you make this into a bracket, put it in there, and it works perfectly fine. I will go ahead and turn on, and then you guys can see. Let's turn on the bike. Let's turn the hazards on. Now you can compare the brightness of this thing and how it looks. See the brightness, how bright it is compared to the other side. Camera, I'm probably not going to be able to tell, but over here my eyes are like kind of blinding because how bright they are versus this right there. So it's totally transformed the bike and sequential. Just like that, the both sides are complete. Let's turn them on together, see how it looks. Very nice and bright. Alright, so this is it for this video. Hope you guys like it, and yeah, it does the job. It does pretty good, and hopefully I can put one more video out before the end of the year. Today is the December 25th, and hopefully over the weekend I should be able to ride and give you guys a update on the DB killer that I installed. Since the install, I haven't really go out for a ride. Some nice weekend coming up. Weather should be very nice before the New Year's, and the cold is coming on New Year's as well. So for now, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. If questions you have, please feel free to comment below. Thank you so much for watching Solo MC Rider. Have a good one.